Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to solve linear equation. Before we go to explain the steps and strategies how to solve linear equation, let's see what is the general form of linear equation. The general form is ax plus b equal c. X here is the variable and a, b, and c are all constant. The constant beside the variable x, it's called the coefficient of x and should be not equal 0. In general, linear equation could have one variable. For general form, here we have it as x. For example, 3x plus 9 equal 4. Here, one variable, which is x. Or maybe the linear equation has two variables. For example, 4x plus 2y minus 2 equal 0. And here we have variable x and variable y. Or three variables, 4x minus 6y plus 4z equal 10. And here we have x and y and z are variables of this linear equation. And linear equation also, it's called first degree equation. And all the variables has exponent 1. So here x to power 1, all these are the power is 1. We don't need to write 1. When we don't see any number here as exponent, means it means first degree equation or linear equation. Let's have example to see what are the strategies to solve linear equation. We have here this example, and the first thing is to eliminate fraction. And this we can do it by multiplying both sides of the equation by the lowest common denominator. And here we have 2 and 3. So the common denominator is 6. So we multiply both sides by 6. And then to remove this denominator. 6 multiplied by left side. And then here we get 3. 3 multiplied by the numerator. So we have here 3x minus 5. And for the other side, here we get left 2 and then multiply by this term, 4 times x minus 1, and then a plus, we multiply 6 by 424. So the first step is to eliminate fraction by multiplying both sides by the lowest common denominator. The second step is to remove parentheses. Here we have the parentheses. We remove the parentheses. Remove parentheses. And in this case, brackets are multiplied away. And we have here 3 multiplied 3 by all terms inside these brackets. And here we have 4 multiplied 4 by all terms inside these brackets. Here we don't have any parentheses. We have 9x when we multiply minus 15, 3 times 5 equal 4x multiply 4 by x and then 4 by 1 minus 4 plus 24. The other step is collect x terms. And here we have 9x on the left side and 4x on the right side. Basic fact for solving any equation, when you move any term from one side to another side, from left to right or from right to left, we change the sign. Positive becomes negative and negative becomes positive. So if we take 4x to the left side, here we have the equal. The sign here for the x, it is plus becomes negative. So we have 9x minus 4x. And now here we take the minus 15 from the left side to the right side to collect the same terms. Here we have 15, so we will have 15 minus 4 plus 24. So we collect x terms in one side, and then the next step, combine like terms. Now combine like terms. So here we have 9x combined with the same or like term, which is 4x. In this case, we combine the coefficient. We add it together. So 9 minus 4 is 5x. And here we have also the like terms, which are all constant, 15 and minus 4 and the 24. When we combine all these together, we get 35. The next step is remove coefficient. Remove coefficient of x. Divide both sides by the coefficient. The coefficient of x is the number beside or multiplied by x, which is here 5. Sorry. So we divide both sides by 5 to keep x with coefficient 1 in one side. We need to find the value of x. So x, when we divide it by 5, and here we divide it by 5, in this case we have x equal 7. Now we solve this equation for x, and the value it is 7. And also the last step is just to check answer. In this case, just substitute answer back into the original equation. The original equation, which is this one. So we just substitute the value of x in this equation. And let's do it together. And here we have 3 multiplied by 7 minus 5 divided by 2 equal to 7 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 4. So here 21 minus 5, it's 16 divided by 2, 8. Here we have 6 times 2, so 12 divided by 3, it's 4 plus 4, and then we have 8 equal 8. Equation that means the left side must equal the right side. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.